In this video, we will learn how to make FiveM full screen. In order to make FiveM full screen, firstly we'll need to know what the resolution of our display is. So in order to know it, we'll just right click on our desktop. From here, click on the display settings. After that, we need to scroll down until we find the scale and layout tab. In here, we'll find the display resolution. So my display resolution is 1920 into 1080. So the width is 1920 and the height is 1080. Now we can close it. After that, we'll head into our FiveM folder. In order to do that, we'll firstly click on Windows plus R to open up the run menu. From here, we'll type in %appdata%, then hit enter, which will open up our app data roaming folder. From here, we need to head into the Citizen FX folder. Then we'll find GTA 5 settings. We'll right click on it. Then open with Notepad. From here, we need to scroll down until we find the video tab. In here, we'll see there the screen width and the screen height value. From here, we need to type the value that we saw in our display orientation. So our width should be 1920 and the height should be 1080. In your case, it can be different. After that is done, you can just click on the file option, then save, and it will be done. After that, you can open your FiveM to check it out. Click on open. And now your FiveM should launch in full screen mode. So this is how you can easily launch FiveM in full screen mode and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.